Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Sittie, Alyssa, I am Racman. Lesson 3.1 Inverse of one-to-one function. A function has an inverse if and only if it is one-to-one. If a function is not one-to-one, properly defining an inverse of function will be problematic. For example, suppose that f1 is equals to 5 and f3 is equals to 5. If inverse of 5 is equals 1 and 3. Prevent the inverse from being a valid function. This is the reason why the inverse is only defining by one-to-one. The step of finding the inverse of one-to-one function, first, step one, let y is equals to f of x. Then step 2 is interchange the x and y variable. Example, y is equals to x minus 1. Then yung y natin ay change natin ng x. Then ang x natin ay gagawin nating y minus 1. Then step 3 is equals to step 3 is solve for y in a terms of x. Diba? Nakuha natin yan, x. Then i-solve natin yung y in terms of x. X minus 1 is equals to y. The inverse of this function is this one. The inverse of x is equals to x minus 1. Example number 1. F of x is equals to 3x plus y. Hahanapin natin yung inverse of 1-to-1. The first step ay itong ay gagawin natin y is equals to 3x plus 1. Then, interchange natin yung y at x variable. X is equals to 3y plus 1. Then, transpose the positive 1 minus x minus 1 is equals to 3y. Then, divide both side by 3 para makancel to, para maiwan lang dito ay y is equals to 3. Y is equals to x minus 1 over 3. The inverse of this is the inverse of this function. Therefore, the inverse of f sa x is equals to 3x plus 1 is the inverse of x is equals to x minus 1 over 3. This is the inverse of this function. Example number 2. Find the inverse of rational function f(x) is equals to 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 4. First step naman, di ba, change natin dito na y is equals to 2x plus 1, 3x minus 4. Then, i-change natin yung variable. Magiging x is equals to 2y plus 1. Magiging 3y minus 4. Cross multiply. X is times y, 3y minus 4 is equals to 2y plus 1. Then, i-distribute natin to. 3x y minus 4x is equals to 2y plus 1. Then, i-transpose natin yung 2y dito. Then, i-transpose natin yung negative 4 dito sa kabila. Negative 4x, i-transpose natin dito. Then, 3xy minus 2y is equals to 4x plus 1. Then, i-factor natin to. Nagiging y 3x minus 2 is equals to 4x plus 1. Divided by 3x minus 2. Then, 3x minus 2. Para makancel to. Cancel. Natira lang dito ay y. Y is equals to 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Nakahanap natin yung inverse. Therefore, the inverse of f sub x is equals to x plus 1, 3x minus 4 is f inverse of x is equals to x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. Makikita natin dito sa discussion of inverse of 1-to-1 is paano natin masosolve ang 1-to-1 function na ang kanyang inverse. That's all. Thank you.